day for. Perfect day for the coffee. A little cloudy out there. Made it hard to get going this morning, too, for some folks.
Yeah.
As far as the cloud cover now goes, here's what we have going on. All right, the clouds are going to linger, but the rain that was associated with a lot of it, that has since moved off to the east. Let me get you in for a closer check here. And this is a 3-hour loop with the clouds that linger. There are a few lingering showers south of Nashville and some rumbles of thunder that are going along parts of Lincoln County, as you can see, south of Highway 64. But as far as this being something that's problematic, nothing severe at this time. Can't rule out seeing a stronger storm or two as we go into the afternoon hours. Southerly wind flow, that brings humidity as well. Rain chances will be scattered in nature for the afternoon commute and by dinner time this evening. Still some lingering scattered thunderstorms by 10 o'clock. For the next 5 hours, we'll see temperatures in the 80s. Rain chances will increase. Not everybody, though, seeing a chance of showers across the area. So just keep in mind, you may have one outside your door, but a couple streets over, it may not be raining there. That's the scenario we are dealing with weather-wise. We'll talk more about when the rainfall will move out in the 7-day in just a bit. Right now, though, Nick Barris is in for Vicki Yates.